Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access the club shop in the Premier League application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After doing that, so you will see that you have 5 options down below to click to. You should click on the more option. After doing that, scroll down a little bit and you will see the club shop option. Click on that as well. And here you will be redirected to a site where you can buy basically anything regarding your favorite team. So usually this includes clothes or like Adidas or something like that. So usually that is what you buy here. It can be sorted out by man or woman, even legends. So you can buy here anything that you want. For example, click on man and you will see the players here, the Arsenal players in this case, and click for example on Declan Rice and you can see that you can buy for example Arsenal home shirt, Arsenal authentic home shirt and stuff like this. And there are even stuff for kids, like if your child is a fan of the team, for example, or certain players. So I really hope this video was helpful to you, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.